Hello everyone, I am Saranya, Assistant Professor in the Department of Graphics and Creative Design of Dr. S.N.S. Rajakshmi College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about the dynamic paradigm in computer modeling and animation. In that unit 1, the user preference window in Blender. The user preference window is nothing but the user can customize the workflow settings. According to the settings and customization, we can increase the speed and workflow of the user. This adjustment allows the user to using interface elements, devices, add-on themes and more. We can use these things in the settings option. We can do it. The user preference window, already I said, the user can customize the Blender screen and workflow according to the customer needs. Here also the user window in the Blender is where the user can customize various setting options, optimize their workflow. The windows allows for adjustment interface elements like input devices, add-ons, themes and more than. In the user preference windows, the key sections are plays the more vital role. The first one is interface, second one is key map, third one is add-ons. The interface is nothing but it looks like a behavior of an interface which includes the themes, tooltips, editing preference, and we can manipulate the UI scaling, languages and various display options. Whenever we need a theme or the tooltips or the interface, we need to customize that process. We can use the interface in the settings option. The next is key map. When already the default shortcuts and the mouse actions are aligned to Blender screen, but whenever we need to modify that options, we can use the key map option. By presetting the key maps in different workflow, the industry standard and Blender default, we can use it. Otherwise, we can change the preset option and modify the keyboard shortcuts and mouse actions. The next is add-ons. Add-ons is nothing but enabling or disabling the installed add-ons. And to manage, we can add the files from other things, and we can give the Blender add-ons to the repository keywords. Next is input, theme system and save and load. The input is nothing but input devices like a mouse, keyboard and graphics tablet. We can configure and manage and customize these settings using the input options. We can adjust the orbit style, zoom style, navigation control using the input in the setting bar. Next is theme. This is the most important visual appearance of the Blender interface. We can also customize, we can also include the colors, styles of the different elements. Mostly we can save and switch between the different themes, and we can customize and we can set the default themes also. Next is system. The configure system specific setting such as memory and performance options and CPU threads for rendering. This everything will be come under the system option. And the last one is save and load. We can adjust the auto saving option or default saving option, and where the file need to save and where the file need to start up, and everything will be we can adjust. This types are the user preference editing option, which is available only in Blender, and it also available in the settings menus. It appears in the last option of the Blender screen. in that we can see the in the edit menu, the last one is preference, that is a setting option. Using by clicking the preference window, we can see the number of options like 3D viewport, outline, the menu, input device, like that we can see the adjust. The first one is preference, editing, input, actions, file system, themes, like that you can see this options. Using this options we can change the colors, settings, graphics card, or input or editing, the keyboard shortcuts, devices, the file name, system, that everything we can done according to the user preference windows. This plays the most vital role. According to the user needs, we can customize the Blender screen and we can do our work in the speed processor. Here the themes we can select, default themes we can select, or we can use the color palette for changing the color of the screen. Default I choose the green color, it is appear in the green shadow. Otherwise what color we need, we can change according to this color palette. Thank you.